Hi guys and welcome back. Today we've got another G81 M3 in with us, which is becoming quite a popular car for us to modify recently. This one is going to be having a range of popular mods, including the MSS Hybrid kit, which gives a range of lowering on the car as well as retaining your EDC and also improving the ride quality. We're going to be pairing that up with some spacers just to bring those wheels out a little bit, and the customer is going with the grills and the side grills, but he's not gone for carbon this time, he's gone for black to match the front corners and the skirts. So I'm going to scoop all of these up, get the car over there, get it all fitted, and then we'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, we've closed that arch gap a subtle amount as per the customer's request. He didn't want to go too low so it wasn't causing him any issues and it wasn't rubbing. And we've also brought the wheel out by 10mm to just keep it flush with the arch and change that whole appearance. If we move over to the front of the car, you can see the front wheel, obviously we've done the same thing. We've closed that arch gap and we brought the wheel out 10mm. And then the very front of the car with that CSL look we've given it, we've got the yellow side lights, the TRE black grille and the MHC side ducts. Now, if any of these products are something you're interested in or anything else on the website, give us a shout. We can fit them here in the workshop or we can ship them worldwide. All the links for the products will be below.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?